Samsung launches Galaxy Book 4. Following the February launch of the Galaxy Book 4 Pro and Pro 360 models, Samsung unveiled the standard Galaxy Book 4 in India on Friday. This version skips the Intel Core Ultra processors but boasts AI-powered features for tasks like photo editing. It comes in two colors and offers various CPU and RAM configurations. Samsung Galaxy Book 4 is available for purchase in India in two colors, gray and silver. The Intel Core 5 CPU and 8GB RAM variant is priced at 70,990 rupees, while the 16GB RAM variant with the same processor is available at 75,990 rupees. The Intel Core 7 variant of the Galaxy Book 4 is only offered with 16GB of RAM and is priced at 85,990 Indian rupees. For those customers who are buying the Galaxy Book 4 can avail of bank cashback offers worth 5,000 Indian rupees or get an upgrade bonus of up to 4,000 rupees. Meanwhile, students making a purchase will also be eligible for an additional 10% discount. Buyers can also opt for a no-cost EMI option of up to 24 months. The Galaxy Book 4 sports a 15.6-inch Full HD LED anti-glare screen. It comes with up to Intel Core 7 processor, 150U CPU, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 512GB of NVMe SSD storage, which is expandable to up to 1 TB. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home.